today we continue about massage business and fitness business, how to grow. And today we're going to talk about the content, the which exactly this is what it's all about. So content, how you create your own content, what you need to do. First step to create that content for your business. Like I said, and it's a first step. It's a define your content purpose. So ask your audience, what's your goal? What's the goal? What's the client goal? And what's your goal too? My goal is the neck therapy, lower back therapy, and this is what I'm focused on. And I do everything to attract the clients, educate the clients, entertain the client, and inspire the client. So this is what your content's supposed to be. And I identified your people. Who's your people is.
I want golf. All these golfers are welcome.
Yes. So you see, this is
So many.
golfer. Yeah. If I'm focused on only on the golfer, I'm going to all golf club. I go. I'm posting everything about golf. I do test for the golf. I do exercise for the golf. I make
Right.
pictures about the golf. Everything I know, and I'm trying to stick inside. That's why so many golfers is get injury. It's a number one injury in America, the sport. Because why the golfer is injured? Because they don't do stretches, they don't do
It's
exercise,
always one way, one
and he's
side.
sitting in the office. He think he's good. He think he's okay. He get up. He go on the field and start do this very difficult move, which is everything all
Explosive movement.
rotation. Correct. Everything is rotated, and he get injury. I think it's a great content. Great. The not the quality. Yeah, quality people too, because cheap. Not the cheap. The poor people not playing golf because
Right.
golf it's expensive sport. Also the golf it's more like older people and sport people, they looking for massage, and this is great. This is your content, so I always do everything for golf, nothing else. If you like running, if you focus on the runners, you do runners. Remember, we go to the park for those runners.
Those are poor.
Yeah. I mean, we go for the good runners. We go for the bad runners. But yes, I will probably be doing golf all the time, and I love golf players because they always injury. So yes, uh,
Always injured?
yeah, class idea. Like, hey, are you a golfer? Are you got that hip? And it's I saw a lot of Instagram guys. They do only exercise for the golfers. They don't do any more exercise for anyone, just for the golfers. And it's great because they sell the program and they busy. So identify your content pillar. So choose 3 or 5 themes. You can always come like how am I gonna explain that? Pain relief tips, client success story, behind the scene, before and after result, self care or recovery tip, stretching exercise, demo. So you need to all this put in your clients and help them out, help them out, help them out, help them out. So pictures, it's really important to do those pictures. I know we can make so many pictures with AI right now. Even what I did a couple days ago, I put my face, and I say design the thumbnail only with my face. Like, and it's weird. It's look like me, but it's not me. Like something like
It's
I can show it to you, but it's so funny. It's like the guy look like me, but it's like if you, it, it's weird. It's weird. If people, I mean, people don't know me, they probably it's okay, but you can see I can tell the difference. So, as you remember, we hired a photographer. Especially right now, it's so many photographers without work because all those studios is closed. They just posting everywhere like photography, photography. So you can hire. I told Yana, you nice, good-looking girl. You don't need to be. You don't need to put like sexual stuff, but nice, good-looking makeup, good shorts. So use the tool. Use the tool. You the tool. You're a tall blonde girl. You are a fit girl too. So that's what you're supposed to use. That's if you got that tool, if I'm a big muscular guy, I always gonna use the fitness, right? Or like nutrition stuff. So that's the tool. Use your body as a tool. Uh, find the content idea that's resonate. So ask the clients what's the, or I usually go to Google and ask what's the most search options in Los Angeles area, in my area. What's people exactly looking for? And it's most of the time lower back pain, neck, lower
Oh,
back
really?
pain, neck. Yeah, lower back pain, neck, or massage near me. But massage near me, if we post that massage near me, and they always call and they say, "Oh, okay, I want a massage," and I say, "This is the house service," and they say, "Oh, no, no, I don't need the house service." So this for mobile massage, for in-home massage near me, it's a great keyword for the local business, for location, for the studio, because people searching to come to the clinic. So that's kind of too. So it's a mistake. So you need to know your keywords, the keywords which is Google use, and it's so easy to do. You guys ask the Chat GPT what's the best searching, best, like I said, keywords, and
Yeah.
he will show it to you. Yeah.
So you do that. You say neck and low back or neck and back.
Yeah.
You have it.
Yeah, like I said, you wants to do golfers. It's a great golfers. You want to do lymphatic only. So liposuction recovery from the surgery, it's a thousand and thousand surgery doing like happening in Los Angeles. The guy I working on, the plastic surgeon, he said he's only him doing like 5 6 surgery, like those liposections every day. That's why the shoulder is jammed, because this motion, and it's jammed, of course. So that's it's there. So I will probably record your treatment like we're doing right now, show who you are, make those pictures, treatment assessment like we used to do, guys. For the pain management people, it's a great, because this is how I find Michael Toip. I show ankle exercise and ankle treatment. What I do exactly with the ankle. That's it. He in this moment, he ankle was in pain. He's searching ankle, and he find me. He's like what 4 years, 3 years client with me. Yeah, and
3 times a week.
3 times a week. Yes, and it's a high pay client. This is what we're looking for, because I don't want to do cheap massages anymore. I know some of you just started practicing, but for me, 20 years in the field, I don't want to do. I don't even do $100 massage. It's just I'm better just sit home.
Oh,
This is how it is. Yeah, this is exactly. But
Do you need assistance?
yeah, but some people.
Going with you.
Yeah. So
I can't take your stuff.
so this is it. This is what step number 4. Structure. A structure for the post and maximum engagement, like find that hook. So that first 15 seconds, this is the first how you can hook your people. Let's say example, hey, are you play golf and you in pain, or you after play golf you in pain. I'm David Newman, I'm blah blah blah. You just did this plastic surgery recovery. I'm Marina, and you explain them, hey, after surgery you got this edema, the skin is like the fascia is very rude, you get skin scars. I'm a Marina, I can help you. Boom, it's another one. So it's a 1 minute, 2 minutes. No one watched that crazy stuff like we did before, like 40 minutes, 30 minutes. Maybe if people more interesting in details, they might be interesting to watch the whole thing. But yeah, I know people, it's very interesting because our brain, I think the life speed is goes so quick. Our brain is absorb this information so quick right now. They don't want that long videos anymore. They want that reels, information in reels, the shorts video. It's how it's so addicting. Sometimes I go to the Facebook and I start watching those short videos, and it's this is interesting, this is interesting, this is interesting, this is interesting, this is interesting. And you just spend like, you look at the clock and you're like, whoa, I spent 45 minutes to watch those
I watch
interesting.
bear attacks.
Yeah, bear attacks. You see, Exactly. So the person who's probably collect those bear attacks and crocodiles attack probably make a good money because people love watch
I
this stuff.
know.
Yeah. So maybe we can create content how massage therapists attack the clients and stuff like that. Actually, I have a good idea about it, but yeah.
You
So
have a
stuff
good
like that.
idea about
Find
it.
find your, like, remember this lady who bite people doing massage.
Oh yeah, Dr.
Yeah,
Dot.
Dr. Dot. She's
She's
biting
crazy.
people. She's bite people. So she do massage and bite them. Yeah, she's bite them. Yeah, but she's have million followers, million people who want to work with her. She work with celebrity
I
because
worked with her.
because it's something unique. It's like, oh, massage therapists bite me,
Oh,
like
so
biting by massage therapist.
So is this something new? What does
Oh,
she
she
does it, but
she
her
been there for
therapist-
many years.
She does it, but not
Yeah.
all her therapists.
Not all her therapists, but she's do. Yeah, she bite Bruce Willis. She bite what's that? Kid Rock, not the Kid Rock. Yeah, I think it's Kid Rock too. Yeah, she bite a lot of people. She have that wall of biting people doing massage.
Someone is sick.
Oh,
Okay, biting for what?
Who cares?
Just bite? Who cares?
Yeah, like bite, like biting. Because when you bite, you release the fascia too, because you squeeze the fascia.
That's,
It's a like therapeutical effect.
Oh, okay.
Or like Chinese guy in Chinatown, he's do massage with the hatchet. So he take a hatchet and he beat people and scrape
Yeah,
people
I
with
saw
a.
that.
He's not using guasha like we do, like normal people. He used the
he
hatchet.
injures people, doesn't he?
He didn't
Some
injure it
people
because he's
like that.
professional. Or like you go to this hairstylist who's cut your hair with the hatchet, right?
Oh,
Right? You see that, right?
would you
With a
do
big
that?
hatchet, he cut the hair and it looked good. People like it. Or like a fire. Remember the fire? Or massage with the fire. They put the person on the table.
Yes, the clothes.
Exactly. Close him. Spread with alcohol and blow him up. And it's because our brain don't want that regular. They want that action. They want this something special, and that's what people are looking for. And but you don't need to be crazy like this.
Crazy.
You don't need to be crazy like this. I can assess you. I find the problem in you. We can investigate every inch of your body, find out the problem in your body, and it's your way to fix this problem, to work on it, or just keep whining, keep being pain, and this is your choice. You make your choice. So, but I can help you, and that's what the people have to come in. And educated massage therapists, I be honest with you, it's really rare right now. All the time you go to those saloon, it's just walking on you all this. I'm like, I don't know what this is all about. I mean, it's good. Don't understand me wrong. It's also good. You're relaxing your muscle. You get this nerve system calm down. But is that do something for you? I don't think so.
They don't have license. A license is not required in Los Angeles.
Yeah.
You do not is not a requirement. people
So
can do
hook.
anything.
You need to hook your people. Let's say, yeah, first 10, 15 seconds, that's the most important. If you don't grab attention, people just keep you away. And this is sometimes I watch the shorts. One I have like a 5,000 viewers, and another one 3, and then my another one is older than the more viewers. Why? Because it's no attention up there. I'm talking about something they don't know what I'm talking about. But if something catchy like, hey, spleen meridian, you have a spleen pain. People who spleen, they watch it. So yeah, educate or entertain, show or explain the visual or examples. So do that in your video, do this in your flyers, do this in your whatever digital. I don't think people still printing those vouchers. It's just kind of, I'll be honest with you, waste of time and money. I tried this many times, and the investment is not it's not really good and like return. Okay, call to action. Tell them what to do next. Follow up for more tip. Book the session. So stuff like that. They have to be present. Like I'm never done. I thought it's a joke. Like hey guys, subscribe, click the button. I thought it's a joke, and everyone doing this. So, but I watched this video with the guy. He said when he started doing that, when he started, hey, subscribe, click like, or leave your comments below, people start doing that, and his channel started grow because the YouTube or other whatever platform, they like this interaction with the clients. When clients interact and do some like a comments, posting, that's why if you go to those Facebook, it's some stupid fake picture, like I don't know, like a last one I watched this P Daddy with the baby oil. Of course, it's everyone watch those news and they all interact. They all start comments, and it's like 1,000 comments about this video. But when you go to see that who person is, it's a fraud. It's a spam. It's a spam account, spam everything. That's how the people uh, get your attention. And guess what? In this world, in this digital world, people like you get the money for attention. If you catch the attention of someone, that's what you get the money. If you don't catch the attention, you don't get the money. That's why all those influencers, they try to do all these stupid things to catch that people. You don't need to do that. You need to be educated because people truly people who wants to spend money and they want that knowledge of you. So if you put it up, people catch it, you will be good. Uh, so yes, repetitively. So put this in your mind. I have to post like let's say one blog, one video, two reels, and it have to be constantly, not just like oh you posted 1 month and next month you just skip it. And like I said, we got this many AI who can do it for you. So you pay 10, $15 a month and guess what? They post it for you. All your platform, you synchronize all your platform in one platform. You post it, you put in a schedule, and it's automatically scheduling your videos. So you don't spend that time like we used to be. Used to be, yes. So this is yeah some application like a Canva, CapCut, Google Trends, uh, Chat GPT. That's your helpers. There's a lot of tools up there. So that's short kind of class about content and what you're supposed to creating. Any questions? No? All right. So no questions is good. You see, I like it when people don't ask questions. They ask me questions later.